Hi, I'm Allison from MathBeach Solutions, and today I'm going to share a feature of the MathBeach curriculum that can save you from a date with the whiteout and the copy machine, and that is editable reviews and assessments. So I specifically want to talk about how this can help you, especially if you are making accommodations or modifications for your students, but also if you just need to add or remove test problems to make the test align a little better with the exact sequence that you taught it in. So you can see here, I have a Word document for the version A of a test from this Algebra 1 unit, and I can delete graphs, I can replace text or type over it, I can change values inside the file. So you will need to have Microsoft Word installed in order to make these full edits because we do use Microsoft Word equation editor. But it's not just the tests that you are able to edit. So here I have the mid-unit assessment for the same unit. So you can use this as a quiz or a test or even just an informal assessment in class to see how things are doing as like a mid-unit check-in. But even those, we have the editable version. So you can see we have Word documents for the unit review, the mid-unit assessment, which is what I want right now. So here I have the mid-unit assessment. What if, oh no, I forgot to make a large print version for one of my students? No problem. I can just highlight and increase the font size. Might have to do some mild formatting, put that equation on the same line, but overall, we are pretty much good to go to quickly print this and give it to the student who needs it. You can also do this to change the number of answer choices or change the problems themselves, create alternate versions. Although I do have an A and a B version of every one of the reviews and assessments, except for the unit test, which actually has 3 because there's 2 multiple choice versions, plus a 3rd version that's free response already ready to go for you. So all of this means that you're no longer starting from scratch when you need to make modifications, or you're not sitting there with the scissors cutting and pasting, or even if you're trying to do it digitally, you don't have to fuss with that anymore. The editable versions of the reviews and the test are there for you, so you can edit them to meet your students' accommodations and modifications, and also to adjust the difficulty level for advanced classes, or even to just get the sequencing to match your own classroom schedule.